Welcome to the Dr. Rcraft CSS Links tutorial. Links can be styled with CSS in many different ways, using any property, like background color or font weight. In addition to those standard properties, links can be styled differently depending on their link state. There are 4 link states in the latest version of CSS. Link, which means an unvisited link, visited, which is a visited link, hover, which is a link hovered over by the mouse cursor, and active, which is a link as soon as it is clicked. Now let's look at an actual example showing these link states. So here we've got the style for unvisited links, and here's the style for visited links, hovered links, and active links. Now let's add another link to a page I haven't visited yet, so you can see the link states a bit more clearly. So as you can see, this link is red, so it's an unvisited link. And so when we hover over one of these links, it turns hot pink because of the hover link state. And when we leave the mouse button pressed on one of these links, it turns blue, as you can see here. Another common way to style links is with the text decoration property. You can see that unvisited and visited links by default do not have an underline, but when we hover or click one of those, then that underline appears. This is done by setting the text decoration none on link and visited, and text decoration underline for hover and active. Now another common way to style links is with the background color property. As you can see, unvisited links are shown in a magenta background, while visited links are shown in an orchid background. Hovered links are shown in a yellow background, and active links are shown in a lime green background. Now it's very common to have these selectors grouped for link and visited, and hover and active. So let's try and do that. So we'll first group link and visited, and hover and active, like so. Now as you can see, link and visited have the same style, and hover and active have the same style. Now another way to style links is with the cursor property, and it defines what cursor is there when you hover over an element. And this works on any element, not just link elements. So you do it here on body, and the entire body element is affected by this cursor. In this case, the cursor is weight, which gives us a feeling that the browser is currently busy. However, we can change this. Cursor pointer, which is the default for links, will give us a pointer cursor. And resize gives us a resizable cursor. And cursor move gives us a cursor that looks like it's moving things. This concludes the CSS Links tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.